The FloPro-MD is a tool used by installers and service technicians to verify gas flow, gas pressure, and the available BTU per hour capacity. Before you start installing your FloPro-MD, ensure you have all of the proper tools and parts for a successful installation. And for your safety, please be sure to turn off your gas supply valve. Gas fittings must also be prepared by applying a gas-approved pipe thread sealant or tape to the mating 3/4 inch male NPT threads of the pipe or fitting. To ensure proper installation, the FloPro-MD label has a blue arrow signifying the proper direction of gas flow through the device. There is also an arrow permanently embossed on the device aluminum housing for the same purpose. Using 2 adjustable wrenches, or a pipe wrench if there is no hex surface, complete the final gas-tight connection between the mating NPT threads. One of the adjustable wrenches must be placed on the hex surface of the FloPro-MD device while making the final gas-tight connection. Using your adjustable wrenches, remove the existing gas connector from the generator gas supply line. Install a flexible gas connector to one side of the FloPro-MD and install the second gas connector to the opposite side. Using both adjustable wrenches, tighten the gas connectors. To energize the FloPro-MD, insert the DC plug from the power supply into the DC plug port located on the underside of the FloPro-MD device. The battery pack power supply is secured to the underside of the FloPro-MD device using the battery clip and the 4 mounting locations. Once the device is plugged in, all LEDs will energize momentarily, then emit a single blinking blue light to indicate power has been established. Now your FloPro-MD assembly is ready to be installed in the gas supply line. First, hand bend the flexible gas connectors into an S shape to fit the existing installation. Next, you'll hand tighten one side of the FloPro-MD assembly to the supply side, ensuring that the blue arrow is pointing towards the generator's gas inlet. Hand tighten the downstream side of the FloPro-MD assembly, and then, using your adjustable wrenches, tighten the gas connectors. Once all gas connection points are tight, open the gas supply valve and ensure that all connections are leak tight by using an approved leak solution or sniffer. Your installation is now complete. You're ready to start your generator. On your tablet or smartphone, with the FloPro-MD app installed, tap the FloPro-MD icon to start the application. Tap the Scan Now button after the app opens, and select the FloPro-MD icon to connect your FloPro-MD device. A double blinking blue light indicates that the communication between the FloPro-MD and the app has been established. If this is the first time using your FloPro-MD, select Sync Clock to Phone, which will ensure the data that gets stored is timestamped. If you have used the FloPro-MD on a previous startup, you may also tap on the Delete Stored Data button, but it's important to note that this option will permanently erase all device history logs. You can now use the FloPro-MD to monitor and collect specific information as it relates to gas pressure, gas flow, and the available BTUs per hour. Once your installation is complete, you can provide pertinent data to your customer, verifying that a proper installation was performed. FloPro-MD. Take the guesswork out of your work. Learn more at Dormont.com.